Ever wondered if there's a better way to power your customer's Ring stick-up cam? Stick around because we've got the solution you're looking for. Hey there CI pros, welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel. I'm your host Rudy, and if you're tuning in, you're likely well acquainted with the convenience and performance of Ring security cameras. However, we understand that sometimes the ideal location for these cameras isn't always convenient for battery changes or optimal Wi-Fi performance. But fear not, today we're here to introduce you to the perfect solution for these situations, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Elite. Before we dive in, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support gives us the ability to continue bringing you informative videos on top-notch products. Let's quickly highlight the features of the Ring Stick-Up Cam Elite. Afterward, I'll delve into each one, demonstrating how this model can significantly enhance your next security camera installation project. First, it includes a PoE adapter for seamless connectivity. Second, this camera provides complete coverage wherever it's placed. Third, it offers a remarkably flexible installation process to suit any location. Next, it provides an extensive array of mounting options for optimal placement. And finally, it seamlessly integrates with the familiar and beloved Ring app for effortless control and monitoring. So what's the big deal about the Elite unit? It comes with a PoE adapter. PoE of course stands for Power over Ethernet, meaning not only is it a direct connection to internet via Ethernet, but is also powered by it. But you guys are professionals and already knew that. So, no more batteries or looking for an outlet to plug into. Anywhere you can run a simple Cat5 or Cat6 cable, the Stick-Up Cam Elite will work. As I mentioned, it is also directly connected to the internet, eliminating worries about weak or dropped Wi-Fi signals. It ensures reliable security whenever and wherever it is needed, without any concerns. In terms of versatility in placement, the Elite can be mounted virtually anywhere. Its adaptable base can lay flat on any surface for portability, or serve as a mounting plate for secure placement on a garage or living room wall. And while the PoE adapter needs to be kept somewhere out of the weather, the camera itself is weather resistant. The Ring app provides users with instant notifications for motion detection or siren alerts, keeping them informed about any activity within their home in real time. It also offers live viewing and two-way communication for convenient check-ins. Additionally, every Ring device within the system is displayed on the dashboard, enabling seamless switching between cameras. The Stick-Up Cam Elite integrates within the ecosystem of all installed Ring products. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Elite retails for $199.99 and comes complete with all the necessary components for installation included in the box. For the best installation experience and ongoing support, we highly recommend reaching out to your local CI installer. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Check It Out. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesman for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. I'll see you guys next time.